The opportunities online are profound, and anybody who really grasps them can do very well.
This is the best time there's ever been to start an online business and be wildly successful.
And there's never been this level of awareness. Being able to immediately reach the entire world, it still blows my mind.
Truly anyone can do this. It's not reserved for a small, select few who have all these crazy skills.
The net result of all the pandemic stuff is more opportunity for digital. That's why I say it's just getting bigger.
And the math is really simple. There's 7.8 billion people on this planet? All you need is 1,000 of them to pay you $1,000. And 1,000 times 1,000 is $1 million.
I believe anyone can start an online business. You are already an expert of something right now. If you have a passion about something, you can turn that passion into a profitable business. By watching this movie, you're going to be inspired, you're going to see what's possible, and you're going to learn from the best leaders in marketing, showing you how to do it.
It doesn't matter what you're into. Right now, there's at least 100,000 people that are searching for you.
So whatever makes you unique, there are people who share that uniqueness, right?
You could be raising German Shepherd puppies for 25 years. Guess what? That's a business. That's an information publishing business because you are the expert.
There's nothing that is more life-changing than waking up at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning and see that there's someone that was in Spain that purchased your product, or someone in Australia, or someone in Germany.
So you can have an internet product like that is like stock that never goes down. It's awesome.
Every single person on the planet has lived a story, and they've gone through challenges, and all those challenges are valuable lessons.
I just wanted to write a blog to keep people, maybe entrepreneurs even, from going through all of the pain that I went through.
My goal when I first got started was I wanted to make $10,000 a month. That was like my dream. Now built a more than $10 million a year business working from home.
The cost to learn is so low compared to the return. Try to learn as much of it as you can, and then everything else kind of clicks.
If you can commit yourself to digital marketing, you find the right mentor and the right vehicle, you may have the right life from this moment forward.
It's true. There's millions and millions of people right now who are making really good incomes by being creative and creating stuff online.
It takes you having that belief in yourself to say, I'm going to take action, and if not now, when?
Pandemic just moved the timeline forward probably 5 or 10 years. It's just made online so much more mainstream.
Every other business I've ever had, would have absolutely been destroyed by the pandemic.
This is the time to say to yourself, what am I doing getting stuck in traffic and working for somebody else?
One night, probably at 3 in the morning, I Googled how to make money online. When that money first came, I realized this is real.